Front yard, nice. We have fire hydrant. About 6 inches from flooding the inside of our house. I tore some fences off to get it rocking and rolling to the bayou in the back. It's pretty swift. Kind of opened my neighbor's gate too, help out. We're probably 2 feet in the backyard from going in. It's what happened is our house is damming this water up in the front, and it's coming higher. So that's why I was trying to get it away a little faster. We got a little bit of, this is the front of the house. My truck's about half a mile away. Can get in the neighborhood.